I'm Pamela of Pamela Quilts, and I'm here with my 2020 January Island Batik Ambassador Box unboxing video. If you don't know, I'm an Island Batik Ambassador for 2020, and I lost my card. I lost my thing. There we go. I'm an Island Batik Ambassador for 2020 this year. I think this is my 5th year, and if you don't know about Island Batik, they are a wonderful batik fabric company. We have a team of Island Batik ambassadors, and Island Batik provides us twice a year with a big box full of wonderful fabric and products from our industry partners. So the first thing we received this year was a new die from AccuQuilt, and this is a bob die, which is a block on board, and these dies feature roll through, and they cut all the pieces you need to make it one quilt block. Of that part, you can see it here. So I got Storm at Sea, which is one of my very favorite blocks, so I'm excited to make a project with that. And I'll be using the Go Cutter that they provided us with last year, and I'm sure I'll make lots of projects out of the dies that I already have. So on with the big box. This is a 28-pound box full of goodies. Cardboard, we don't need that. So where do I start? Okay, I'll take these out first. These are our surprise packages that we can't show you yet. So this is for a project later this spring. These are part of the fall winter line, and these aren't available yet. So we're not going to show them to you, so you don't have to go crazy looking for them. And everything else in the box are products that are already available from Island Batik, and they are in your local quilt shops. And they're also at some online retailers too, so you can do a search online for some of these things. So I'm going to pull out this pre-cut stack is River Valley collection, and we've got 2 yards of coordinating foundations, and they're really pretty blue. And this mottled blue, this is Cheerio in navy, and this one is called Glacier, which is a nice icy looking. Goes with the whole River Valley thing. And there are the beautiful colors in this package. There are 42 pieces of 20 different fabrics, and it looks like we've got greens into blues, which I just love. So that's going to be a project. And a big bundle of these are, oh, this is the fall 2019 collection. This is Primo. And this is lovely bright colors, purples and aquas and corals. This is going to be so pretty. So this is going to be a project coming up really soon. I think that's our February challenge. I have a bundle of batik foundations, and we've got 12 half-yard cuts here. And aren't those pretty and bright? And, woohoo, solids. There's a aqua, and there's a purple, and some pinks. Oh, those are going to be fun. Fun is always my big word, because quilting is fun, right? Neutral yardage. Oh, and rice. This is a nice pale blue with dots in it. That makes a wonderful background. Oh, next we've got, some rayon yardage, and that's a nice swirls. And oh, I love the rayon. If you can see it, it's all drapey. It makes wonderful garments and scarves and wonderful things. Next. Ooh. Oh, yay. Aurifil Thread is one of our industry partners. And these are their color builder groupings. And there are 12 different color groupings, and they all correspond to different regions in Italy. And so I got Dolomite Green and Sardinia Pink. And these I was really interested in. These are available in a lot of quilt shops, and some of them are doing like monthly clubs because there's 12 different color schemes. So this was kind of on my list to collect some of these this year. So I'm super excited to have those. And we also have a new industry partner, Schmetz Needles. And I've used their needles since I first started sewing. They are wonderful. So we got Microtex needles, and couple different sizes of those, and these are chrome professional grade, and I was reading about these, and these are really great for accuracy because they're super sharp, so that also makes them really great for batiks because batiks are so tightly woven. And we also got these super non-stick needles, which are supposed to be great for sewing through anything that's adhesive. So I'm totally interested in trying these out and seeing how they do with fusible web. So that will make applique a lot easier. We got some little neat, we got a color guide because the Schmetz needles all have a little band of color on them. So you can look at the color guide and see what kind of a needle you have in your machine if you forget to mark it down. That's one of the tricky things. We've got a pocket guide that gives you application ideas for the different needles and what they're used for. So those will be super helpful. And there's some more fabric in here. Oh, those are gorgeous. This is Jewel Box Batiks, and got some purples to blues and to greens, and a couple of nice purples to go with those. I love strips, so I'll have to think of something fun to make out of those. And there is yet more in this box. Oh, okay, so I've got 2 yards each of fabric, and these are part of the Primo line. That's the big bundle that we'll be doing a project from for February, I think. And one of my favorites, Stash Builder rolls. So there's 2 packs of 5, and each one of these rolls has 4 5-inch strips of fabric. So you get like 20 inches of fabric in each strip, and these are just great for working on little projects or quilt blocks when you just don't need a whole bunch of fabric but you want a good variety. My tower is going to fall over if I'm not careful over there. And now we have the batting. So Hobbs has been an industry partner for a while, and this is a king size natural cotton batting with scrim. And I like the natural cotton, and they also have the premium cotton batting with scrim. And this is an 80-20, and the other one is 100% cotton. So I do really like to use cotton batting. So these are just great. And 2 king-size ones is going to do a lot of projects. And in the bottom of the box, we have one last thing, and it's a Island Batik rayon scarf to add to my collection. And this is a nice, it's either a very dark blue or black. But these are so nice. Yeah, that's black. I love a nice lightweight scarf. You don't get too hot, and it just adds that little touch to your outfit. Also got a few buttons, so I'll probably share some of those in a giveaway when we do our blog hop in February. So that's the bottom of my box. I was trying to make it short and sweet this time and not ramble on too long, but I'm super excited about being an ambassador again for 2020, and I'm looking forward to sharing lots of new projects and ideas with you. So watch for us on the Island Batik blog, and make sure you follow our industry partners. I'll put links in the comments so you can go and check out everything, and I'll put links to the different fabrics I got, and we're just going to have a really fun time. So thanks for watching my video. Bye!